Hello everybody. So here in this video lesson, let us try to solve one problem while hedging of risk through forward contract. So Purple Tree PLC, a UK company, is due to receive 500,000 US dollar in 6 months time for goods supplied. Yeah. So credit period is 6 months time. The company decides to hedge its currency exposure by using forward market. The short-term interest rate in the UK is 12% per annum and equivalent rate in US is 15% per annum. Spot rate of exchange is £1 equals to 2.5 US dollar. How much the company actually gains or losses as a result of the hedging transaction if at the end of the 6 months the pound in relation to the US dollar gained 4%. So here, what are the points we need to keep in mind? The exporter is an UK company. Billing currency US dollar. Receivable 500,000 US dollar. UK interest rate 12%. US interest rate 15%. Spot exchange rate £1 equals to 2.5 US dollar. Yeah. And also question is telling, since it is not giving forward rate, question is telling that we can assume that the forward rate of exchange reflects the interest differential in the two countries. So which means interest rate parity theory holds good in order to determine forward rate. So interest rate for the two countries given, and as we have learned, we can calculate forward rate after 6 months. But what happens after 6 months? Pound in relation to US dollar gained 4%. Mind that billing currency not gained, home currency gained. Yeah. So let's see. So once again, to refresh our memory, as per interest rate parity method, GBP 1 pound would be equals to spot rate into 1 plus US interest rate for 6 months, because spot rate in terms of US dollar. So numerator 1 US interest rate for 6 months and denominator 1 plus UK interest rate for 6 months. So in the interest of the time, I have written this formula over here also. Spot rate is given $2.5. So numerator 1 plus 15% by 2, because it is for 6 month interest, and denominator 1 plus 12% by 2, 6 month interest. So my forward rate is coming, forward rate, it is 2.5354. That is the forward rate of 1 pound. Now, GBP strengthened as per the question. Pound strengthened by 4%. So this is the condition is given. Pound strengthened by 4%. Yeah. So I have gone into forward contract. So amount receivable in US dollar 500,000 US dollar. Forward rate 1 GBP equals to 2.5354 US dollar. That is the forward rate we have calculated. Yeah, this is the forward rate. we have calculated. So amount receivable, we need to do each and every step, you think stepwise, so that solving the sum would be really easy. Amount receivable based on the forward contract, because the company exporter is UK based, so they have to convert the dollar into GBP. So how much amount of GBP? Let me calculate over here. 500,000 GBP, 500,000 USD, and 1 GBP equivalent to 2.5354 USD. So as per forward contract, Purple Tree will receive 197,207.54. This is GBP. Okay, so this much GBP amount receivable on the forward contract in GBP. As per forward contract, but exchange rate on the date of receiving money strengthened by 4%. What strengthened by 4%? Not the billing currency, it is the home currency of the exporter strengthened. So what is the exchange rate now? Earlier it was, let me calculate over here. Earlier it was 2.5 USD for 1 pound. Now pound strengthened. So 2.5 into strengthened by 4%. So 104%. So 2.6. Now 1 GBP equals to 2.6 USD. In other words, because pound appreciated, so more dollar is required to get 1 pound. Earlier it was $2.5 as per spot, as you can see, as per spot. Now it is $2.6 to get 1 GBP. Now amount receivable on conversion of the currency. Suppose I do not have forward, then how much amount I would have received? That is 500,000 USD divided by, now on the date of receiving money, currency exchange is $2.6 per pound. So I will receive 192,307.69 pound in GBP. So amount receivable on based on, let me put in different color, one is orange. Amount receivable based on the forward contract in GBP 197,207.54, and had the company not gone into forward contract, then they would have received 192,307.69. Why less? Because billing currency got weaker, home currency strengthened by 4%. So gain on hedging this minus, because of hedging the company is gaining 4899.85 GBP. That's the gain. Clear? So how we have calculated gain or loss? Now you can pause video and you can try to see what about if home currency weakens by 4%. Yeah, thank you.